up, CJ crew? It is your boy Chris.
And it's Jay.
And welcome back to the Chris and Jay Way.
So y'all,
what's
today
up?
is Saturday,
September the 12th.
Yep. And we are in Atlanta. Y'all know this is our second home.
ATL. Whoa.
So we are up early. It is 10:41 and it's the start of Bay's birthday weekend.
The start of what?
Bay's birthday weekend.
What? Oh my.
So we
God.
are heading to, I'm taking him to get his nails and his I'm taking him to get a mani and a pedi, okay? And then we're going to try to stop at the mall, and then we have some other things.
Yes,
so keep watching.
Keep watching.
It's a lot is going to go on in this vlog.
It
and
is.
after.
Look, wait.
So y'all just keep watching. But
can we stop them real quick and
yes,
tell them to like,
stop, comment,
subscribe,
and tell a friend.
to tell a friend.
Come check us
To check us out, because what? It is Virgo season. Check us out outside of Virgo season too, but right now it's Virgo season and I gotta turn up.
So yes, it's so many surprises. I just can't wait for him to see everything. It's gonna be nice, y'all. So keep watching, and
I love surprises,
stay tuned.
man.
Hey, babe.
What's up? Y'all know what's going on.
Y'all really can't hear us because we got these masks on, of course. But my babe is getting pampered and treated like a king.
You say that again.
Really? Treating you like a king.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Oh my God, that boy just got his birthday outfit in the bag. By the time y'all see this, I already been dropping the picture, so I don't care. Ooh, man. Yeah. Your boy is finna go up for his birthday, man. No lie. I'm just on 110 this week, man. Can't even tell y'all why right now. But soon you'll know that your boy is turned up. Hey. Man, what the?
Gang. We turning up. Facts. Period. Words from Joe. We turned up for Chris and Jay. Period. That's all I gotta say.
Period. That's a PSA, public service announcement. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and 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 tell a friend. Why? Just do it. You know why. All right, y'all. So we are back together. Y'all saw me already with the fresh cut.
Yeah.
They came back with the hair laid.
Laid and slayed for the guys, y'all.
They telling me Tay is the best.
Y'all, I did not go to Tay.
Hey, it look like it is laid.
Yeah, so we're about to, what we about to do, babe?
I don't know, we gotta kill time.
Yeah, so my makeup appointment got pushed back. So now we're trying to kill some time. Do my makeup, and then we're about to have another surprise. If y'all seeing this right now, it's not his birthday yet.
It is my birthday all month. All Virgo season, really. It's my birthday.
You ready for your surprise?
What is it?
I'm not telling you.
When
Keep
can I get it?
Bye, guys.
We gotta get it.
So we're currently waiting for the makeup artist to get here.
They finna get her face beat.
Beat?
What you get her face beat for?
Did we tell them you getting a photo shoot?
Oh no. So.
Oh yeah.
What tell you guys now?
He's doing a birthday photo shoot.
Yeah.
So that's why we're getting all dolled up.
Y'all see my fit in the back. By the time y'all see this video, the fit gonna already. Y'all don't get to see it.
Yeah.
Fit
So
in the
that's
back.
his little suit.
Oh, let it focus.
You want to focus? Okay. No. There we go.
It's my birthday shoot, but I decided, to let Bay.
Yeah, at first I was was like, why do you want me in your pictures? Because I wasn't even trying to be in his pictures, because like I told y'all on that last photo shoot vlog, whenever you're doing something with women involved, you gotta do hair, makeup, nails. Like, it's a lot. And I didn't want to be stressed out on his birthday. So that's why I was like, I don't care about being in the pictures, but
the king gets what he wants. It's just a couple, I mean.
Yeah.
Just a couple pictures.
Just a few.
But y'all, when these pictures come out, they're gonna
be nice.
Y'all gonna see my birthday present.
Y'all see my nails? Ooh.
Y'all gonna see my birthday present. It's my birthday. I'm talking about me. I'm just playing.
They can see my nails.
Y'all look at her nails.
No.
Show your nails, baby. Show your nails, baby. Show your nails, baby. Sport.
Okay, y'all. So we're back. Makeup is done. Hair is done. Haircut is complete, and we are ready.
It's my birthday.
What, y'all? I feel like it's my birthday, but no, we're a package deal. So if it's your birthday, it's my birthday, right? Right? Yeah. So now we're about to go get dressed and get ready for this photo shoot. Y'all, we're so excited. This weather like held up.
It was supposed to rain.
Yes,
man.
it was supposed to rain. And let me show y'all. The weather is like perfect in the city today. It's sunny, clear skies, like super excited. Super excited. So we're about to get dressed and meet y'all at the photo shoot, okay? How you liking this one?
Oh no, I kind of like this one. You know, sunroof.
I love the sunroof.
Yeah, man. Real smooth. I think they look good. Look.
You look good.
Perfect, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, need anything else, whatever.
I'm your brother. All that.
Referee, hold his tag.
All right, everybody, the vlog. This is the end of the vlog.
Yes.
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
subscribe,
and share.
tell a friend,
To tell a friend.
to tell a friend.
Y'all, he's so lit.
Look,
Look at him.
my voice is gone.
It's gone.
This is the
What
priest.
is the time? Currently, the time is,
It's like-
hold on, let me tell y'all. The time is 2:30
It's
Eastern, y'all.
2:30, and to be
Today
honest, we're
was
still.
amazing.
It was amazing. Like I can't wait till y'all understand why today was amazing. But
Yeah.
I got the best birthday present of my life. The only birthday present that I really wanted.
I love
And
you.
I love you too. And man, when I tell y'all, when y'all understand this, y'all come back and y'all comment and y'all tell us that Team Chris.
Yeah, he's so lit.
Subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. That's all we gonna say.
And y'all will
Peace.
see.